students, let us continue to our previous part. But before that, let us have short revision. Okay. As we are going to see the reactions about haloalkanes. That is preparation methods of haloalkanes. In these preparation methods of haloalkanes, we have to study the three methods of preparation of haloalkanes. In that first preparation method, we have already seen that is from alcohols, and reactivity order is, you know, that tertiary alcohols are more reactive than secondary, and secondary are more reactive than primary alcohols. Okay, so this is about the from alcohol preparation method of haloalkane from alcohol, and this is most common method for preparation of haloalkanes. Okay, now in this we have this in previous session we have seen the reactions with alcohol and reaction with halogen halides, and in this halogen halide reaction with alcohol with halogen halide, we have seen the reaction of alcohol with means chlorination, bromination and iodination reaction we have already seen. But one more thing in chlorination, that remember, in case of tertiary alcohols, in chlorination reaction, there is no need of anhydrous ZnCl2. Okay, we are using the mixture of HCl and ZnCl2 as a Lucas reagent. But in chlorination, in case of tertiary alcohol, there is no need to add anhydrous ZnCl2. Okay, so let us continue to that next preparation method, that is iodination. Okay, this is the iodination. What happened in this reaction? Let's see. Okay, by heating alcohols with potassium iodide or sodium iodide in 95% phosphoric acid, by heating alcohol with potassium or sodium iodide with 95% phosphoric acid, HI is generated. Okay, now this HI is reacts with ethyl alcohol forming ethyl iodide. Ethyl iodide. Okay, so this is about the iodination. Here I have taken only one example. Okay, so this is about bromination, chlorination and iodination. Very simple reactions are there. You have to remember the reaction conditions properly. You have to mention the reaction condition properly. Okay, now we will move towards the next preparation method of haloalkanes, that is by using phosphorus halide. By using phosphorus halide B. Okay, by using phosphorus halide PX. X represents halide. Look here, PX may be PX3 or PX5. Phosphorus tetrahalide or phosphorus pentahalide. Phosphorus tetrahalide or phosphorus pentahalide. In this, PX3 may be PCl3, PBr3 or PI3. Okay. In PX5 you can take PCl5, likewise PBr5, likewise PBI5. Okay. In these PCl3 and PBr3, these two are less reactive. Okay. लेस रिॲक्टिव्ह असल्यामुळे रिॲक्शन मध्ये बघा ते कसे तयार होतात ते रिॲक्शन मध्ये बघू आपण. ओके, PX3 phosphorus trihaloide, PX5 phosphorus pentahalide. Reaction of these to prepare haloalkanes. Reaction with this to prepare haloalkanes. Okay, reaction of alcohol with this to prepare haloalkane. Let us see in chart form. Okay. Very easy reaction. Alcohol, ROH. Okay, look here. आपल्याला कशा सोबत करायची आहे रिॲक्शन? व्हेरी इझी. PbCl3, PbR3, Pi3. सोपी एकदम सोपी. काय म्हणणार बघा, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द रिएक्शन. When this alcohol is refluxed with PCl3, you are getting here RCl, means haloalkane. Okay, byproduct is H3PO3, phosphorus acid. To balance this reaction you have to take here 3. To balance this reaction you have to take here 3. Okay, now next, when this alcohol is refluxed with PbR3, as I have already told you that PbR3 and Pi3, they are very less reactive, hence they are formed by refluxed with red phosphorus plus bromine. When this refluxed with, there is a formation of PbR3, and likewise here red iodide refluxed with iodine, there is a formation of Pi3, and this alcohol when refluxed with this PbR3, there is a formation of haloalkanes, that is RBr, and byproduct is same, that is phosphorus acid. Likewise same 3Ri plus H3PO3. Okay, this alcohol when refluxed with Pi3, there is a formation of haloiodide. This is the general reaction. You can take here any alkyl groups, and byproduct is phosphorus acid. Okay, and for balancing each you have to take here 3. Okay, so very simple reaction is there. Now आपण PX3 बद्दल बघितलं, तर PX5 what happens, let us see. Reaction with PX5, alcohol ROH reacts with PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride. Alcohol reacts with phosphorus pentachloride when reflux is there. For alcohol refluxed with phosphorus pentachloride, there is a formation of alkyl chloride, that is haloalkane, with the elimination of HCl and POCl3 byproduct. Continue reaction in there. Okay, when alcohol refluxed with phosphorus pentachloride, there is a formation of alkyl chloride, that is haloalkane. HCl and POCl3 are the byproduct. So this is about the preparation method of haloalkenes by using PX, phosphorus halide. Okay, now next preparation method of haloalkenes is last preparation method is by using thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride is represented by the formula SOCl2. Again simple reaction is there. Look here, आपल्याला अल्कोहोलची रिॲक्शन थायोनिल क्लोराईड सोबत करायची आहे. ROH हे काय, अल्कोहोल. वेन इट रिफ्लक्स्ड विथ थायोनिल क्लोराईड, तयार काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला, अल्किल हलाइड. हियर RCl is formed, that is haloalkane alkyl chloride. Okay, now see the elimination product कोणते असतील, SO2, sulfur dioxide, in a gaseous form. That's why arrow is represented there. And also one more byproduct is there, HCl gas. Again here I have represented in the gaseous form. So look at this reaction. In this reaction, alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride. Alcohol refluxed with thionyl chloride in presence of reaction condition is there in presence of a pyridine. Okay, in presence of a pyridine, there is a formation of RCl. There is a formation of RCl, alkyl chloride, with elimination of sulfur dioxide and HCl. In this reaction, sulfur dioxide and HCl are in the gaseous form. Okay, so they are represented here in the arrow form. Okay, what happens in this reaction? Baga, this reaction is most widely used reaction for the preparation of haloalkanes. जास्तीत जास्त ही रिएक्शन हॅलोअल्केन प्रिपेअर करण्यासाठी का बरं वापरली जाते याचं कारण आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. ओके, द बाय प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन्ड इन दिस रिएक्शन, listen carefully, the byproduct obtained in this reaction are gaseous, in gaseous form or okay. So for separation, आता हे सगळं मिक्सचर मिळाले आपल्याला आणि आपल्याला तयार काय करायचं, हॅलोअल्केन हे वेगळं पाहिजे. मग नॅचरली काय होईल, हे गॅशियस फॉर्म मध्ये असल्यामुळे ते इव्हॅपरेट होतील. ओके, आपोआपच. मीन्स फॉर अ सेपरेशन इट इज व्हेरी इझी. फॉर सेपरेशन ऑफ हॅलोअल्केन्स फ्रॉम दिस मिक्सचर it is very easy to separate out this haloalkane from this. Okay, there is no need to take extra effort for separation. Okay, therefore this method is preferred for the preparation of alkyl chloride. Okay, आपण प्रिपरेशन मेथड 3 प्रकारच्या बघितल्या. फ्रॉम अल्कोहोल बघितली, युजिंग हायड्रोजन हलाइड. हायड्रोजन हलाइड मध्ये आपण वेगवेगळे हॅलोजन्स बघितले. पहिला आपण ब्रोमिनेशन बघितलं, ब्रोमिनेशनची रिॲक्शन बघितली, रिॲक्शन विथ HBr. तिथे रिॲक्शन कंडिशन काय होत्या, रिॲक्शन कंडिशन काय होत्या, सोडियम ब्रोमाइड आणि कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड H2SO4. म्हणजे सोडियम ब्रोमाइड आणि कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड H2SO4 जेव्हा रिॲक्शन होते तेव्हा HBr जनरेट होतो आणि अल्कोहोल रिॲक्ट्स विथ दॅट HBr फॉर्मिंग हॅलोअल्केन. दिस इज अबाउट द ब्रोमिनेशन. आणि आपण प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी, टर्शरी अल्कोहोलला आपण ब्रोमिनेशन रिॲक्शन बघितली. ओके, रिॲक्शन कंडिशन तुम्हाला माहीत असणं किंवा ॲरोवर रिप्रेझेंट करणं फार आवश्यक आहे. त्यानंतर आपण रिॲक्शन बघितली क्लोरिनेशनची. ओके, दिस क्लोरिनेशन अंडर द क्लोरिनेशन रिॲक्शन अल्कोहोल रिॲक्ट विथ HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. Remember, in this reaction, means in chlorination reaction, mixture of HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2, it is called as a Lucas reagent. MCQs मध्ये 1 मार्क साठी विचारलं जातं किंवा तुम्हालाही माहिती पाहिजे की हा रिएजंट ल्युकास रिएजंट आहे म्हणून. अँड द प्रोसेस ऑफ दिस क्लोरिनेशन प्रोसेस म्हणजेच आपल्याला हॅलोअल्केन तयार करायचं आहे. तर ती प्रोसेस किंवा त्या रिॲक्शनला नाव आहे ग्रुप्स रिॲक्शन किंवा ग्रुप्स प्रोसेस. त्यानंतर आपण आयोडिनेशन बघितली. आयोडिनेशन रिॲक्शन मध्ये आपण पोटॅशियम आयोडाइड आणि सोडियम आयोडाइड इन विथ 95% ऑफ फॉस्फोरिक ॲसिड इट गिव्स HI. This alcohol reacts with HI, you will get in that reaction, that is haloalkane, that is alkyl iodide you are getting. Okay, now again next reaction of preparation of haloalkenes कोणती बघितली आपण, बाय युजिंग PX मीन्स फॉस्फरस हलाइड, PX3 आणि PX5. ओके, तर PX3 मध्ये वेगवेगळे हॅलोजन्स परत वापरले, PBr3, PCl3 आणि PI3. ओके, आणि PX3 मध्ये म्हणजे युजिंग फॉस्फरस ट्रायक्लोराइड मध्ये जेव्हा आपण बघितलं की PCl3 phosphorus trichloride reflux with alcohol, you are getting here haloalkanes. Okay, no doubt. But in case of PBr3 and PI3, they are obtained by refluxing with red phosphorus with bromine. And PI3, how it will obtain? Red phosphorus refluxed with PI3. Okay, so reaction condition you have to remember. It is very important here. And by using this, we are preparing haloalkanes. Okay. तसंच आपण PX5 च्या बाबतीत पण बघितलं. अल्कोहोल रिॲक्ट्स विथ PX5 म्हणजे PCl5 बघितलं आपण, फॉस्फरस पेंटाक्लोराइड रिफ्लक्स विथ फॉस्फरस पेंटाक्लोराइड. देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अगेन हॅलोअल्केन, दॅट इज अल्किल क्लोराइड ऑप्टेन झालं अशा प्रकारे. आणि लास्ट बाय युजिंग थायोनिल क्लोराइड, सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची रिॲक्शन आहे. इट इज द मोस्ट वाइडली यूज्ड मेथड. काय रिॲक्शन? सोपी रिॲक्शन आहे. अल्कोहोल रिॲक्ट्स विथ थायोनिल क्लोराइड SOCl2 रिफ्लक्स विथ इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ pyridine. In presence of pyridine, you are getting here alkyl chloride with elimination of sulfur dioxide and HCl. In this reaction, sulfur dioxide and HCl are in the gaseous form. So, for separation of haloalkenes from this, it is very easy because they are in the gaseous form. There is no need to take any extra effort for separation. So, this method is generally preferred for the preparation of haloalkanes. Okay. Give the reasons. परत प्रश्न येऊ शकतो. Why this method किंवा by using thionyl chloride haloalkanes are prepared. Why? म्हणजे का बरं हीच मेथड प्रिफर केली जाते? तर तुम्हाला रिझन देणं एकदम सोपं आहे. ओके. रिॲक्शन तुम्हाला लिहिणं आवश्यक आहे आणि त्याच्यासोबत स्टेटमेंट सुद्धा देणं आवश्यक आहे. सो दिस इज अबाउट द प्रिपरेशन मेथड्स ऑफ haloalkanes. ओके. सो this reaction, students, writing practice is necessary. Okay, to understand this reaction, writing practice is necessary. Don't read reaction, write the reaction. Okay, so this is about the preparation method. Now in the next session we will move towards the next point. Okay, thank you.